How to work with labels and text entry fields. So suppose you want to take entry from the user, you need to have a label and a text entry. So here you can see I have already buttons and a root window, and the buttons are in a frame. But I want to add an entry field and a label alongside it that says what the entry field is. So for that, we write name. So we are taking the name of the user. So we write name underscore label. So this creates a label for the entry. Or you could just have a normal label without attaching to anything. So we just create a label, and then for that we write ttk dot label, and then within the brackets we write the frame that we want to attach it to. So we have the frame object already created, and that's what we're going to write there. Then we are going to write the text that we want to enter in the label place. So it will be enter your name. Now I will write name underscore label dot pack. This binds your label to the root window. So here you can see that it is visible, enter your name. So now I want to create an entry field where the user can enter his or her name. So I can just shorten these two steps into one step and write ttk dot label, and then I'll write dot pack. So as you can see that it has worked. Now we create an entry field. So for that we write name underscore entry is equal to tk.stringvar. This will save the whatever value we enter into the text entry field. Actually, I'll just rename this. So I'll write this name underscore text. I'll name this as name underscore entry, because this will be the actual entry field. So it will be ttk dot entry, and then in that we write the frame and then the width of the entry field. So this will tell how wide the entry field is. So it could be anyway 30 or it could be 10, depending on how you want it. Then you have to write the text variable. So text variable is the variable which saves whatever entry has been given. So I write name underscore text that we have just created. So now I will change name label. Instead of it being pack, I will make it name label grid. So this gives more structure. Even same thing I'll give for name entry. This is more easier to use, name grid, the grid method. This way you can give, instead of giving a lot of instead of it being very confusing and everything, you can just write row and column. And as you can see, the window is here. So here we have enter your name, and there's a text field. So I can enter over here. You can see I'm typing over here. Now I want to create action for when a user enters the name. So for that I will in the click button one function, I will write name is equal to name dot text dot get. So it will get the value of whatever the user has entered, and then we'll change the title and write name is and the value that we have got from the user, and we'll enter it over here. And now you see So when we enter the name, so I'll enter my name Larissa, and when I click OK, it says name is Larissa. So this is how we create labels and text entry fields in Python GUI using Kinter.